Let's start this week's mega quiz questions and answers. Question number 1. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer is nitrogen. Question number 2. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Answer is sodium bicarbonate. Question number 3. Which mirror is used by dentists to see magnified images of teeth? Answer is concave mirror. Question 4. Dry ice is the solid form of which gas? Answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 5. Which metal is so reactive that it must be stored in kerosene? Answer is sodium. Question 6. Which Indus Valley site is known as the Mound of the Dead? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. Question 7. Who was the court poet of King Harshavardhana? Answer is Banavatta. Question 8. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question 9. Which ancient university was destroyed by Bakhtiyar Khilji? Answer is Nalanda University. Question 10. Who was the first Indian woman to become the president of the INC? Answer is Sarojini Naidu. Question 11. Which is the largest delta in the world? Answer is Sundarbans Delta. Question 12. Which line of latitude passes through the middle of India? Answer is Tropic of Cancer. Question 13. Which is the coldest inhabited place in India? Answer is Dras. Question 14. Which Indian state shares borders with Nepal, Bhutan and China? Answer is Sikkim. Question 15. Which city is known as the Steel City of India? Answer is Jamshedpur. Question 16. What is the current maximum strength of the Lok Sabha? Answer is 550 members. Question 17. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Answer is Chief Justice of India. Question 18. What is the tenure of a member of the Rajya Sabha? Answer is 6 years. Question 19. Which article deals with the abolition of untouchability? Answer is Article 17. Question 20. A money bill can be introduced only in which house? Answer is Lok Sabha. Question 21. On which date is National Farmers Day celebrated? Answer is December 23rd. Question 22. Who was the first Indian to win a Grammy Award? Answer is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Question 23. Who was the first non-Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? Answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question 24. National Unity Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of whom? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 25. On which date is International Women's Day celebrated? Answer is March 8th. Question 26. What does NITI stand for in NITI Aayog? Answer is National Institution for Transforming India. Question 27. Which body in India regulates the stock market? Answer is SEBI. Question 28. White revolution in India is related to the production of what? Answer is milk. Question 29. Which bank is the apex institution for rural development? Answer is NABARD. Question 30. In India, when does the fiscal year end? Answer March 31st.